Hey guys, it's the Chad, your C10 truck nerd. Well, we finally made it down to Texas Motor Speedway for C10 Nationals. I've never been to one of these, so I'm pretty excited, but looks like they got 2 days of jam-packed fun for us. Now they got burnout contests, autocross, they've got drag racing, swap meets, and I don't know, but I'm really excited to get in there and start the day. That's not good.
I can see it.
NASCAR experience, we had one hit the wall. Not good.
I want to do it, Chad.
I think they're one car down now. What'd you just sign us up for?
It's the Autocross with these amazingly fast, ridiculously powerful trucks.
Man, that's gonna be awesome. Yep, I'm pretty stoked.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. This is awesome.
We put a rear end in last night.
Great. What's your name?
Danny?
Nice to meet you, sir.
Dad tore the rear end out on the way down, so we had to swap out trucks on trailers, put it on trailer, drive the other guy's truck. Put it in last night, about 2.5 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Back running again.
We're next.
You done this for?
No.
Okay.
I'm ready though.
You gotta post a video then.
Yeah.
Do hashtag share the ride and C10 Nationals.
Okay, share the ride.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
We'll see if we can give you a ride.
Hell yes.
Good. All right, ready?
Wow. Outstanding. Yeah. That's some power. I appreciate that.
No problem.
Thanks for your time doing this for everybody. All right, so we just made it through the autocross, and that was amazing. What'd you think?
Dude, it was violent. This is so grippy. Oh man, it just throws you all over the place, and it was free.
Yeah, when you come into a corner at 75, 80, it's a little nerve-wracking, but they make them stick. So if you guys ever come to Nationals, check out Share Your Ride. They do all this for free, like Garrett said, and it's a blast. Might have to do it again. It's old square body from United by Trucks. Check it out. There's the CPP tent. You know, I could do some severe damage in this tent. Yeah. Oh, does it feel good in here? Holy smokes. Yep. I tell you what, I lose this guy all the time. You know, where do you think he's at now? I can't let you walk away anywhere, man.
I'm trying to get a little money back.
Okay.
Make my next list of stuff.
He has bad credit, don't believe him. Bad credit.
Me too, it's okay.
This is what I really need. Just start from scratch. No rust repair, since I'm the worst welder in the world. This would just be great. So I came all the way to Fort Worth just to meet up with the Wichita guys. So here's some of ours here. I'm gonna go all the way to Texas to see you guys. Sweating.
Yeah.
All right, so I turned my back on you for 5 seconds, and now what are you doing? Awesome.
It's too small.
fat guy in a little suit.
Goodness gracious. All right, try again.
It's amazing how loud this is with an echo. We're on the back side of the track. What do you think?
That was awesome. Oh, wow. You don't realize the G-forces until you get into one of those things. You're having to hold your head up. Oh my God. That was awesome.
So anytime I can stop at a Buc-ee's, I do, because this is just the Sam's of all gas stations. I think this one's got over 100 pumps down here. Yes. Which of the million ices do you want? I tell you what, I think I need to sell all my trucks and start working here. Holy smokes. So it is a Mother's Day weekend and I've yet to get the better half a gift. I mean, what better than some clothing from a gas station? Yeah, probably not. So this is what happens when you forget your sunglasses at C10 Nationals and get a massive headache, so, yep. So if this place doesn't have everything, it's a swap meet too. This place just keeps going on and on. If you got a few grand to spend, this would be the way to do it. Wow. That's pretty cool. What do you think? Think we need these to get to the car?
I think it'd be helpful. I'm tired.
I'm tired. Well, that's gonna wrap up day number 1 of C10 Nationals, and I'll tell you, that was a really good time, but I'm sunburned, I'm tired, I forgot my sunglasses for half of it today. I'm ready to eat some dinner and go to sleep, but we'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.